Hey there. Let's take a look at the 1942 Elsener catalog, and we're not taking a look at just images of this catalog. We're taking a look at an original copy. But one thing I wanted to show you was, in addition to soldier knives and officers' knives and some of the knives that most of us are more familiar with, this catalog had page after page of farmers' knives and cadet knives. This copy comes from the Dave Arnold collection, and Dave's also supplied some actual cadet and farmers' knives that we can take a look at. So first of all, these three here on the catalog page in fiber scales are cadet knives. And they are really just kind of a scaled down version of a soldier's knife. You can see the similarity in shape, and it's the same tool set. You have the awl, just a little smaller, main blade. It is a clip point blade like a 1908. This one has a screwdriver, no cap lifter, just like a soldier. And the old style can opener. So these are cadets. So one interesting thing about these cadets is you can see a progression of tools very similar to officers' knives. You have the old style can opener that was changed in 1946 to the lobster style can opener, the lobster claw style can opener. So that's really interesting. Now this was model 304. Also we have a cadet here called the model 310, which is the same tool set but includes a saw. And here's that saw. Now this one looks like it originally came with a bail, but it's missing. And then back here on the, let me close this up and bring in our farmers' knives. We have some Victorinox farmers' knives, and you can see the shape of the handle is different. And then we also have some Wenger, starting with an old cutlery Swiss with the three faces. And then this is a Wenger. And this one is also reads Wenger. But these generally would have another tool, a sacking tool, which looks very similar to the tool that they often use as a marlin spike. These have saws. These Victorinox often had horn scales as well. Let's take a look at the tang stamp on these. Victoria, that's an older tang stamp. It's one of the original ones. And here we have it again. And again. So these also came in, as I said, in different sizes. Here's a larger one right here. I guess this would probably be the 103 millimeter. So just a great introduction to some different Swiss knives that aren't particularly army knives, but are farmers' knives. And then the cadets, which are smaller versions of the Swiss soldier knife. So I hope you found that interesting, and thank you for watching.